9. Find the equilibrium point for the following supply and demand equation. For this question, I will use substitution method. Okay, we have two equations here. Okay, now by using substitution method, okay, let the first equation into the second equation. So what we have in first equation, so we have here 2 over 3q minus 4. So we have here 2 over 3q minus 4 equals to, what is the second equation? So second equation we have, okay, negative 1 over 6q plus 11. Okay, now, okay, bring negative 1 over 6q to your left and bring negative 4 to your right. Okay, then what we have here, so we have 2 over 3q. Okay, so from negative, okay, so we have positive here, negative 1 over 6q equals to, here is 11. Okay, so from minus become positive 4. Okay, so now 2 over 3 plus 1 over 6 is 5 over 6. Okay, so here is 5 over 6q equals to 11 plus 4 is 15. Okay, now bring 5 over 6, okay, to the right. Then you have here q equals to 15 divided by 5 over 6. So what is q? Q is 18. Okay, so 18 units. Okay, now let q equals to 18 into, okay, you can choose either the first equation or the second equation. So I choose the first equation. So what is the first equation? Okay, the first equation is P equals to 2 over 3q minus 4. Okay, now, okay, replace q with 18. Okay, what we have, P equals to 2 over 3 times 18 minus 4. So what is P? P is 8. Okay, P is price. Therefore, P is RM8. Okay, now what is our equilibrium point? Equilibrium point from quantity price. So we have here 18, 8. Question 10. Find the equilibrium point for the following supply and demand equation. Okay, so we have two equations here, supply and demand, and I will use substitution method to solve this question. Okay, by using substitution method, okay, so now let the first equation into the second equation. So what we have in the first equation? So we have q equals to 19p plus 8. Okay, so here is the first equation. Okay, 19p plus 8. Okay, equals to the second equation. What we have in second equation, negative 13p plus 2184. So here is negative 13p plus 2184. Okay, then bring negative 13 to your left and bring 8 to your right. Okay, so what we have here, we have 19p. Okay, so now from negative 13 to become positive p equals to, so here we have 2184. Okay, then here is positive. Okay, so become negative 8. Okay, so now we have, okay, 19p plus 13, so you have 32p equals to 2184 minus 8 is 2176. Okay, now bring 32 to your right, then what you have here? So 2176 divided by 32. What is your P? Your P is 68. Okay, what is P? P is price. Therefore, P is RM 68. Okay, now, Okay, let P equals to 68 into, okay, you can choose either the first or second equation. It's up to you. Okay, so I choose the first equation. Okay, so now I have the first equation is Q is 19, P plus 8. Okay, now we take 68 into P. Then we have here Q equals to 19 times 68 plus 8. Okay, what is Q? Q is 1300. Okay, so Q is quantity. Then 1300 units. So now, what is our equilibrium point? Okay, our equilibrium point is, okay, 1368.